If you've ever been bombarded with pop-ups from websites while browsing, you're not alone. Notifications can be helpful, but they can also get annoying fast. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable or disable notifications in Google Chrome, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Look to the top right corner of the window and click on the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From the drop-down, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Site Settings. Now, find and click on Notifications. This is where you control how websites send you alerts. At the top, you'll see a toggle option labeled Sites can ask to send notifications. If you turn this on, websites will be able to ask for permission to send notifications. If you turn it off, Chrome will block all notification requests automatically. Below that, you'll see 2 sections, Allowed to send notifications and Not allowed to send notifications. If there's a specific website you want to block, find it in the Allowed list, click the 3 dots next to it, and choose Block or Remove. If you want to allow notifications from a site, you can add it manually by clicking the Add button next to the Allowed section and entering the website URL. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.